What's up, my DJs? What's going on, guys? All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. So right now, up 1.1% on the evening, guys. $96,786. Earlier today, got as high as 98,444. Very interesting. Altcoins are really starting to run up this evening. Of course, so is Bitcoin. It's up a little bit. Altcoins are looking good. Let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Shall we see what's going on? All right, so over on the chart, as you can see here, guys, and now over here, when we first hit this $98,600 level to $99,800 $800 level, there was about 1,300 Bitcoin sitting here in a massive sell wall. Okay, and we've slowly chipped away at that. Earlier today, I did a live stream showing that there was only about 370 Bitcoin left on that sell wall. So it is crumbling very, very fast. Now, I think early next week it's going to crumble and we will break through 100K here for Bitcoin. But it could happen sooner. But I just kind of feel like we're going to come back down, retest this, retest 91 to $92,000. It's possible. I don't know for sure if it'll happen, but it's possible. We could retest it one more time and then boom, up from there to retest. I don't know. We might just come down to this support level here around 95,000 and then back up. But either way, guys, even if we don't do that, we've already set our higher low and we're ready to go here. So again, with only like 370 Bitcoin left on this sell wall, for me, I'm looking at next week as the breakthrough, early next week, a breakthrough. We have about $3.38 billion in shorts at $100,000 as well. So that's going to cause a massive short squeeze, which is going to shoot Bitcoin's price up to probably somewhere around $105,000 to $108,000 in pretty short order. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at, and then we might see a little tiny bit of a correction, and then maybe some consolidation to set yet another higher low for further continuation to the upside. Right? Once we finally get through 100K, we want to build a solid level of support there because we don't want to drop back below it again. Right? Not until the bear market anyway. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there, guys. So let's get into some of the news here. We got a couple of pieces of news to get into for Bitcoin. So crypto price today, November 30th, Bitcoin drops from 98K. Will the ETFs boost Bitcoin to 100K? The crypto market today has witnessed notable movements with the market capitalization and the dynamics of the trade volumes. Successfully, the market cap of the industry has climbed back climbed by 3.85% to the peak of $3.41 trillion, while the intraday trading volume got shot down by 16.67% to 156.15 billion. With Bitcoin making progressive attempts to inch closer to that 100K mark, investors' optimism continues to take the fear and greed index to extreme greed levels. Despite the numerous pullbacks, Bitcoin has been riding against the waves following a drop from 82K levels during the U.S. trading hours yesterday. What? Bitcoin has been riding against the waves following a drop. It wasn't at 82K yesterday. So I don't know what the hell they're talking about there. Anyway, continuing on. Maybe they meant 90. They probably meant 92. It's probably a typo. That's probably what that is, 92. There you go. BTC's price at press time is up 0.94% over the past 24 hours, taking the price tag to $97,182. As a result of the above numbers, its market cap has grown by 0.88% since yesterday to $1.92 trillion. With the market taking positive strides, the institutional interest in Bitcoin stays tough, as evidenced by the net inflow of 415 BTC worth $40.83 million into Bitcoin's ETFs on November 29th. This development highlights the growing confidence in institutional players in Bitcoin's long-term potential. With ETF inflows on the steady rise, investors contemplate the possibility of institutions taking BTC to 100K. Curious about Bitcoin's price. Oh, that's Ethereum's price showed sustainable momentum as it rose 3.22% to its press time tag of $3,692.72, backed by ETFs inflows of 10,500 ETH, worth $37.85 million. Solana and XRP also recorded gains of 1.13% and 20.66%, respectively, signaling robust performance among key altcoins. Interest in ETH's year-end price target, blah, blah, blah. I hate when they throw a little ad in the middle. Core emerged as a top gainer among the top 100, zooming 29.83% to $1.43. Ethereum's name service followed next with 25.70 price spike to $42.97, and Algorand with a 25.43% move to 41 cents 79. On the losing side, Mantra fell 4.18% to $3.44, while Radium and Akash Network saw normal losses of 2.48% and 2.07%, respectively. So there you go, guys. Will the ETFs help break Bitcoin through 100K? My answer is no, because they buy them OTC. That's a stupid question. But regardless, we are going to break through 100K, like I showed you guys on the charts, probably within the next couple of days. Early next week is where I'm targeting right now. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson opines on a potential $500,000 Bitcoin value. Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Cardano, made a daring prediction about Bitcoin's future. He suggested that Bitcoin could reach up to $500,000 within the next 2 years. This prediction was shared on a recent video where Hoskinson expressed his belief that Bitcoin's price will surge due to investment inflows and increased interest. In addition to his Bitcoin forecast, Hoskinson also offered an intriguing perspective on the future of decentralized finance. With the Bitcoin ecosystem, he predicted that Bitcoin's DeFi ecosystem will outperform all other DeFi platforms within the next 2 to 3 years. This progressive vision positioned Bitcoin as a significant player in the DeFi sector, generating excitement about its evolving role in the broader crypto landscape. Despite voicing frustrations with using Bitcoin in its early days, Hoskinson now sees Bitcoin as an awakened giant in the crypto space, far surpassing the size of Solana and Ethereum combined. Hoskinson's vision for Bitcoin's future revolves around the role as its store of value for the internet, a role that will be enhanced by the introduction of DeFi capabilities. While Bitcoin has traditionally lacked native DeFi functionalities, Hoskinson has proposed a new model through Cardano's network. This model will allow Bitcoin holders to enable DeFi modes, bridging Bitcoin to a wrapped token on Cardano. This would enable users to participate in DeFi ecosystems, trade on decentralized exchanges, and use yield-bearing instruments, all while maintaining full control over their private keys, ensuring the security of their asset. In conclusion, Hoskinson's model aims to make Bitcoin a more versatile asset within the growing decentralized space. Bullish things coming, guys. With so much adoption taking place, states with their making it a reserve asset, countries making it a reserve asset, things are escalating. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor's meeting with Microsoft in the next few days to try to orange pill them into putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Things are escalating very, very quickly, guys. You may not have an opportunity soon to buy Bitcoin anymore because there might not be any left to buy. So click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next one.